Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two popular robotic vacuum cleaners up for comparison. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the iRobot Roomba 692. We'll be looking at various categories to determine which one comes out on top, so let's dive right in. Starting with the price, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is priced at $249, while the iRobot Roomba 692 comes in at $269. Both are competitively priced, but if you're looking for a more affordable option, the eufy RoboVac might be the way to go. When it comes to design, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max boasts a super slim profile, measuring only 2.85 inches. It's perfect for getting under furniture and hard-to-reach areas. It also features BoostIQ technology, which automatically increases suction power for deeper cleaning. Additionally, it comes with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 692 has a sleek and premium design that complements your home decor. It features adaptive navigation, allowing it to maneuver around furniture and along edges. The Roomba 692 also has dirt detect sensors that identify dirtier areas for a more thorough cleaning. Let's talk about cleaning performance. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max offers incredible suction power for deep cleaning. It can run for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction. Its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your daily activities. Meanwhile, the iRobot Roomba 692 utilizes a 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes to effectively grab dirt from both carpets and hard floors. With a runtime of 90 minutes, it can clean your floors daily, keeping them dust-free. Now let's explore the smart features. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max comes with a remote control for easy operation. It also has an infrared sensor to avoid obstacles, and an automatic recharging feature, ensuring it's always ready to clean. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba 692 can be controlled through the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant, such as Google Assistant or Alexa. It learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. With adaptive navigation and cliff detect technology, it can navigate your home without any trouble. Overall, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is highly praised for its higher suction power, effective cleaning performance, and reasonable price. It is recommended for regular cleaning to save on electricity. However, some reviewers mention limitations such as the need for improvements in navigation and the charging base. The iRobot Roomba 692 is praised for its great battery life, effective cleaning, and convenience of Wi-Fi connectivity. Reviewers mention the need for regular maintenance and occasional struggles with pet hair. Both models have satisfied customers, so the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. And that's a wrap. Both the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the iRobot Roomba 692 have their own unique features and advantages. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.